Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to talk about something most people never think about: how your laundry detergent can affect your skin. It might sound strange at first because detergents are supposed to clean, right? But the clothes you wear, your pillowcases, your towels, they're touching your skin all day. And if they're holding onto ingredients that irritate your skin, you're being exposed constantly without even realizing it. So let me explain what might be in your detergent and why it could be a problem. Most commercial detergents contain synthetic fragrances, enzymes, preservatives, and brighteners. These can all be irritating to your skin. Fragrance is one of the biggest culprits. It might smell fresh, but it's often a mix of many chemicals, and companies don't have to list them all. So fragrance could mean almost anything, which makes it really hard to know what's exactly causing a reaction. Then we have enzymes, which is not a common ingredient. They are designed to break down protein stains, like sweat or food. But your skin is made out of proteins too. That means enzymes can sometimes damage your skin barrier, leading to irritation and breakouts. Now, beyond the ingredients, the type of detergent you use also plays a big role. Pods are convenient, but they are very concentrated and they often leave behind residue, especially in washing machines that don't rinse well. Liquid detergents can do the same. They contain stabilizers that don't always break down, particularly in cold water. And then we have, on the other hand, powder detergents, usually dissolve and rinse out more easily, especially when used with warm or hot water. And while we're talking about laundry products, there's one more thing you definitely shouldn't overlook: fabric softeners. Fabric softeners are often loaded with synthetic chemicals, including something called quartz. These coat your clothes to make them feel soft, which may feel comfortable, but that coating doesn't just stay in your laundry, it transfers to your skin as well. And for some people, these ingredients don't just cause breakouts or irritation. They can affect your overall health as well, maybe just in a more subtle way. For example, I used to have what doctors would call a seasonal cough, and I went to many doctors and tried everything, but nothing helped. Then I stopped using certain laundry products, and the cough completely disappeared. So yes, it's absolutely something worth paying attention to. Now let's shift to another important factor: your washing machine. Now, modern machines are designed to save water, which is extremely great for the planet, the environment, but not always great for rinsing out detergent properly. That means leftover residue can get trapped in thicker fabrics, like, for example, your towels, hoodies, or workout clothes. And when you wear those items, especially while sweating or moving, your skin can become irritated or inflamed. And this can then show up as body acne, rashes, or even recurring breakouts on your face from your pillowcases or towels. So if that sounds familiar, you might be wondering what you can actually do about it. Well, you don't need to run out and buy a new washing machine. But if yours doesn't rinse well, then it's something to keep in mind over time. What really made a bigger difference for me, and it's super simple and affordable, was just washing a few loads without any detergent at all. Just water. That alone helped flush out a surprising amount of residue. Sometimes the rinsed water looked cloudy or even soapy just from build-up left in the fabric alone. After that, I switched to a gentle powder detergent, which is free of fragrances and enzymes. And if your clothes still feel like they're holding residue or make that crinkly sound when you move them, just run an extra cycle. Even a quick 15 or 30-minute rinse can make a big difference. Now, I also want to make it a habit to wash lightly worn clothes without any detergent at all. And surprisingly, that's often enough. Plus, a bit of leftover detergent from the previous loads can even help clean in the next one, so you're also saving a bit of product. Now, it sounds odd, but it works. So if you're dealing with breakouts, rashes, or irritation that just won't go away even after changing your skincare or diet, it might be time to look at what's actually touching your skin all day long. Laundry might not be the first thing you would suspect, but for me, it turned out to be the biggest game changer. Now, once I made these small changes, I noticed a huge improvement. especially on my back as well as shoulders. I'm also linking a short video at the end of this one where I show what actually came out after washing with no detergent at all. It's super eye-opening and I share a few extra tips there too. So make sure to check it out if you're into it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that this video helped you out. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and I will see you in the next one.